This is second part of minimum area rectangle. Here we are given some points on xy plane and we need to find the minimum area rectangle formed by these points. In part 1 we needed to find the same thing, but it was given that the sides of the rectangle will be parallel to xy axis, while in here it can be rotated as well. For example, this is one rectangle is being formed. Another rectangle we can consider is as this. But if you see here, this is actually not a rectangle, because in rectangle the sides needs to be perpendicular to each of them. So we won't consider this as a rectangle. Like here, this can be considered as rectangle because the contact point is 90-degree angled each of the sides. So what we will do is we will take any point and find another pair and then another pair, and then using these 3 points we will try to find the fourth point, but we will consider these points only when these are perpendicular to each other. And when we will find the fourth point, we will calculate its rectangle area. Since to solve this problem we are requiring to have a triplet of 3 points, total time complexity it will take is n cube. And to find out whether these 3 points are perpendicular to each other or not, we need to find the dot product, and it needs to be 0 in order to have them as perpendicular. This is the formula for dot product. So here we have taken 4 nested loops to get P1, P2, P3. Then we are calculating the P4 using formula, then checking if it exists in our set or not. If it does, then we are checking that these 3 points need to be perpendicular, and then we are calculating the area. And for perpendicular, to check whether it is perpendicular or not, this is the method we are using.